Tip number 10. So you finished your open house, you have a ton of buyers that are interested. Now it's time to do the follow-up. This is the part that most people skip, which is one of the most important parts. First thing you want to do, obviously you've gotten their contact information, you built a relationship. Now you need to shoot them a message. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Hope you guys like the place, or you should already know if they like the place. From there, what I'll do is I'll send them the link to the showcase video for the home. If they didn't like the property, I'll say, hey, I'm going to go ahead and send you a couple other properties based on what we talked about. Let me know if you like any of these. Or ask them some questions on the text. Thanks for stopping by. Really great to meet you guys. Ask them some questions. If you didn't get all the information that you wanted on what they're really looking for, if it's not the house that you're trying to sell, then dig in a little bit. You know, I saw that you guys were interested here. If I could find something in this community, do you think that would be something you're interested in? Then from there, I'll leave them a voicemail. But a lot of times I like to do a voice text. When I get a voice text, I'm kind of excited. I'm more excited to get that than I am a regular text. So if I hear something where it's like, hey, I really enjoyed meeting you guys, blah, 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 XYZ, I'd love to do whatever it is that you guys talked about, that's much better than getting a regular text message because it's more personable. The other thing is when you send them that link to your showcase video or to another property or even a link to your site with the home buyer search, now you can plant a cookie into their computer. So now you can kind of start following them around a little bit. You can see if they're searching again. They're going to start seeing your ads for your other properties. For a real estate agent, this is kind of cool. When you send over that link and you get them to go to your website, if you have the right analytics and you have the right advertising, you can continue to show them other properties. For a buyer standpoint, a little creepy, a little weird, but it's important to keep it top of mind because you showed up at the open house for a reason. You are looking for a property. Maybe this one wasn't the one, but unless you've got somebody pushing you to find the property that is the one, a lot of times you're going to give up hope. So follow-up is everything. Stay on top of your clients. Every single person that walked into that open house is eventually going to buy a property, and you want to be the one to help them find the right one. Don't leave it up to the other realtors. You're the one that needs to get it done. That's our seller series. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave us a like, subscribe, comment if there's other tips that you want to see or more things you want to know about. I hope you guys got a lot of value from this. All right, so if you enjoyed our content and it was useful, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe down below. Or if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, make sure to reach out to us. You can give us a call. You can send us an email. You can even send me a text message. All of our information is in the description. Look forward to hearing from you.